In this video I'm going to show you how to merge your Fortnite account on the Nintendo Switch 2. To merge the account it is easier to do on the laptop, so let me switch to that. On the laptop type in epicgames.com/help. Select the technical support section, scroll all the way down and here click on contact us. Now you have to fill in some information, so let's do that. Now the platform is the Nintendo Switch, the product is Fortnite. Select for contact reason other and then here type in, hey, I'm having trouble with my current Nintendo Switch account linked to Epic Games. Help me link it to a new account. Trying to do it, but it is thank you. Just like this, write a message like this. Select continue. And then here submit an email request. So guys, then Epic Games is gonna email you back in 2-3 days and then it will be fixed, guys. So this is how to merge your Fortnite account on the Nintendo Switch 2.